Happy World Elephant Day. I'm Tushti. I'm Shevya. And we are from Wildlife SOS. Today, we are at India Gate and we are going to talk to people about elephants. Come, let's find out. Come, let's find out, Baba. So, hi. Do you know what day World Elephant Day is celebrated on?
I do not know.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. मुझे तो ये भी पहली बार पता चल रहा है कि कोई दिवस भी है इस प्रकार का.
जो हाथियों का डे होता है वो कब मनाया जाता है?
12 अगस्त को.
12 अगस्त. हाँ जी.
August 12.
Oh wow, that's great. Yeah. So it's celebrated every year on 12th ताकि लोगों को थोड़ा पता चले कि जो एलिफेंट्स हैं उनके साथ क्या प्रॉब्लम्स होती है. जो हम ये वीडियो बना रहे हैं ये इस पर्पस से है कि हम सबको अवेयरनेस स्प्रेड कर पाए. So I just wanted to know, do you know how many types of elephants there are in the world?
In the world?
Yeah.
I'm not sure about it.
So I know that there's two broad types. There's Indian and there's African.
African elephants are famous, I guess.
Yeah. So currently we have three kinds of elephants. One is an Asian elephant that we see in India. और अफ्रीका में एक African forest elephant होता है और एक African savanna elephant होता है. So I just wanted to kind of show you some pictures and ask you if you know what kind of elephant that is.
I think African elephant.
Yeah, that's correct. So this is an African elephant. ये वाला
ये अपना इंडियन है.
अपना हाँ. African elephants have really big ears as compared to Asian elephants. And also the tusks of the Asian elephants are only there in male elephants.
Okay.
Whereas for African elephants, both female and male elephants have tusks.
Okay, have you done elephant rides?
No, I haven't done any elephant rides.
Probably no. Till now, I haven't got the opportunity.
So a lot of people, usually when they go for national parks or they go somewhere, they prefer doing elephant rides, right?
Yes.
But unfortunately, it's a huge nightmare for elephants.
Yes.
कि जो पीठ होती है, बैक होती है, उसमें बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट होता है. And it actually causes a lot of deformities, cuts and blisters and sores on the backs of elephants, which is then very difficult to treat.
Have you ever been to a circus?
I've been to a circus, yeah.
सर्कस में तो नहीं देखे हैं बट गांव में हमारे ना हाथी आते जाता था तो वो बच्चे उसके पीछे जाते रहते थे तो हम बचपन में देखे हैं.
I've seen briefly and heard briefly about the kind of things that they do and how they're not allowed to mix with other elephants.
उनका एक प्रोसेस होता है, उसको हम बोलते हैं फजान. तो उसका मतलब होता है ब्रेकिंग ऑफ द स्पिरिट. तो उसने वो हाथियों को बहुत हफ्तों के लिए एक केज में बंद करके उनको बहुत मारते हैं, उनको बहुत ही टॉर्चर करते हैं जब तक हाथी उनकी बात ना मानने लग जाए.
Can you think of any cool idea from technical perspective, from technological perspective or AI that can help the elephants?
I know that a lot of the circus elephants have joint problems.
Okay.
So something to help support them and help them walk more easily and help them learn to walk again.
So this World Elephant Day, we as an organization, Wildlife SOS, is trying to spread awareness. Is there anything that you've seen in the recent past or anything that you want to say to the world or tell the world about saving elephants, not just India's elephants, but elephants overall in the world?
Yes.
Everyone is doing a very good job of improving these elephants' lives and just making sure that these elephants are getting the treatment that they should.
हमारे पास विचारधारा है, सोचने की शक्ति है और उनके पास वो शक्ति नहीं है. वो हम पे डिपेंड होने चाहिए जबकि हम उन पे डिपेंड होकर चल जाते हैं. जैसे केदारनाथ ही ले लीजिए.
See, I'm a law student and I would say that even animals have the right to life. According to the constitution, we should try our best to keep elephants safe around the world and try as much as we can so not to sit on it.
The elephants that are being looked after can't return to the wild, but at least they're getting a better life.
And also we consider elephant as God. So at least keeping in that in our mind, so we need to conserve them.
can you just wish everyone a happy World Elephant Day?
Definitely. Happy Elephant Day to everyone. Please conserve wild animals, especially elephants are the cutest ones on the earth.
A happy World Elephant Day.
हस्ती दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आप सभी को.
So I wish you all a very happy World Elephant Day.